Let's explore the world of ethical hacking and its critical role in cybersecurity. At its core, ethical hacking represents a proactive approach to security, where professionals use hacking techniques to strengthen rather than compromise systems. The key distinction lies in intent and authorization. While malicious hackers seek to cause harm, ethical hackers work to improve security posture through authorized testing and analysis. This approach enables organizations to identify and address vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Speaking of methodology, ethical hackers employ the same tools and techniques as other hackers, but within a structured framework designed to protect systems. The primary goal is to analyze an organization's security stance by discovering potential entry points, checking for existing compromises, evaluating patch management, and assessing compliance with industry standards. When considering the relationship between ethical hacking and penetration testing, it's important to note their interconnected nature. Ethical hacking serves as the technical foundation for penetration testing, where security professionals operate under formal engagement rules and specific parameters. In contrast to vulnerability scanning, which uses automated tools to identify potential weaknesses, penetration testing actively attempts to exploit discovered vulnerabilities in systems, infrastructure, and human elements. Moving to skill requirements, ethical hackers need a comprehensive technical foundation. This includes in-depth knowledge of operating systems, network infrastructure, and security implementations. Additionally, they must possess strong analytical abilities and maintain current knowledge of emerging threats and attack methods. From a practical perspective, ethical hackers require more than just technical expertise. Professional communication skills are essential, particularly for conducting social engineering assessments and presenting findings to stakeholders. Furthermore, understanding relevant legal frameworks and compliance requirements helps ensure testing activities remain within appropriate boundaries. The testing process typically begins with formal engagement between the client and the penetration testing team. Testing methodologies fall into several categories. White box testing provides complete system visibility, making it ideal for internal teams but potentially limiting creative thinking. Gray box testing offers partial visibility, while black box testing simulates external attacks by starting with no internal knowledge. When discussing operational procedures, ethical hackers must follow strict protocols for handling sensitive discoveries. This includes proper reporting of potential illegal activities, evidence of actual intrusions, or discovery of sensitive information. In such cases, the immediate response should be to stop testing and notify appropriate authorities or stakeholders. To develop practical skills, ethical hackers should establish isolated testing environments. These environments typically utilize virtualization technology, allowing multiple operating systems to operate simultaneously on a single physical machine. Various pre-configured virtual machines are available for practice, including purposely vulnerable systems designed for security testing. Regarding virtualization in testing environments, it's crucial to understand both benefits and risks. While virtualization offers flexibility and resource efficiency, proper configuration is essential to prevent resource contention and maintain isolation between systems. Virtual machines must be carefully managed to prevent unauthorized interactions with host systems or external networks. The success of ethical hacking initiatives ultimately depends on balancing security improvements with practical limitations. Organizations must understand that while complete security is unattainable, systematic testing and remediation significantly enhance their security posture. To summarize, ethical hacking represents a structured approach to security assessment that combines technical expertise with professional methodology. Understanding these principles helps organizations better protect their assets while maintaining compliance with industry standards and legal requirements.